What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 3D printers in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a top recommendation for those seeking an affordable yet high-quality 3D printer. As of 2024, it stands as one of the best value-for-money options on the market. The Neptune 3 Pro doesn't compromise on features despite its attractive price point. It boasts advanced functionalities, such as a direct drive and dual Z-axis that are typically found in premium models. This user-friendly device arrives 90% pre-assembled, ensuring a hassle-free setup from unboxing to first print within half an hour. The Pro version introduces several enhancements, including a direct drive that firmly handles slippery filaments like TPU, dual Z-screws for stable printing, and an inbuilt task light. All the beloved features of the predecessor, the Neptune 3, have been retained or improved upon in this model. One of the standout features of the Neptune 3 Pro is its PEI-coated build plate. This plate optimally adheres to prints during the printing process and easily releases them when cooled. The bed leveling process is swift and accurate, requiring minimal adjustments. The removable touchscreen interface is user-friendly and displays thumbnails when using Elegoo's slicing software. The Neptune 3 Pro package includes all the necessary tools for assembly and maintenance: spare nozzles, a micro SD card with a USB adapter, and a sample of white PLA for your first print. A short instructional video provided on the micro SD card guides users through the assembly process. Aesthetically, the Neptune 3 Pro is a significant upgrade from its predecessor. The earlier plain black frame has been replaced with a sleek gray aluminum one featuring painted stripes and inspiring "Create the Future" slogan on the front. One of the major upgrades is the gantry ride, which now includes a dual-gear direct drive that effectively handles materials like TPU. This machine also boasts 3 cooling fans and an enhanced aluminum heatsink. Elegoo has incorporated a new TC4 titanium alloy throat tube, although it still includes a piece of PTFE tubing. While this limits the hot end to 260 degrees, it's more than sufficient for most 3D printing enthusiasts. The Neptune 3 Pro arrives mostly assembled, requiring just a few screws to complete its setup. It features automatic bed leveling using an inductive probe, which checks 36 points across the bed. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Our next review highlights the Creality Ender-3 S1 Pro, a 3D printer that stands out as the top mid-range option in 2024. The Ender series created by Creality has been a popular choice for beginners and hobbyists due to its cost-effective open-source structure and user-friendly operation. The latest edition, the Ender-3 S1 Pro, is an impressive machine sporting high-temperature printing, enabling the production of detailed prints of exceptional quality. Unlike its predecessor, the Ender-3 V2, the S1 Pro offers an easy setup experience, since most components come pre-assembled. The Ender-3 S1 Pro is a fantastic addition to the mid-tier 3D printers, catering to both novices in 3D printing and seasoned creators seeking a budget-friendly printer. Maintaining the open-frame design of the Ender-3 V2 and Prusa i3 series, the S1 Pro's dimensions are slightly larger, measuring 24.6 by 19.2 by 17.9 inches. This size increase is also reflected in the build area, which measures approximately 10.7 by 8.7 by 8.7 inches. Opting for a spring steel polyetheramide PEI plate, Creality ensures rapid heat-up times and excellent print adhesion. The magnetic plate can be flexed slightly to remove finished prints. This maintenance-free board eliminates the need for additional adhesives like glue and offers easier management than a glass bed. Like the Ender-3 V2, the S1 Pro houses the power supply within the printer base and features a cart for the build platform's movement. A USB-C port and an SD card slot are conveniently located at the front of the printer, along with a built-in drawer for storing the various small parts included with the printer. Structurally, the S1 Pro maintains the excellent design of an open-frame 3D printer, and its assembly is straightforward. A spool holder sits atop the right side, holding a standard filament spool, while the touch-controlled LCD screen, measuring 4.3 inches diagonally, is attached to the base, adjacent to the build platform. The interface comes preloaded with 9 languages. The S1 Pro supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, wood, TPU, PETG, and PA. While the print quality may not be perfect, it's more than satisfactory given the printer's price point. The extruder, capable of applying up to 80 N of force, ensures smooth filament feeding and discharge without slipping and performs exceptionally well when printing flexible filaments like TPU. In your quest for the best premium 3D printer, the SnapMaker Artisan 3-in-1 is an outstanding choice, standing tall as the top-notch device in 2024. This all-inclusive piece of equipment combines a 3D printer, laser, and CNC machine into a single luxurious, user-friendly extra-large unit. Although it takes up considerable space, this printer is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the SnapMaker 2.0. The Artisan boasts an increased build volume, faster speeds, and quick-release modules that can be installed within minutes. Its direct drive system incorporates a unique dual hot end, allowing two extruders to share a single toolhead. Among its standout features are rapid linear rails on the X and Y axis, a conventional dual Z axis for stability, a double-sided PEI-coated glass plate, and integrated Wi-Fi. The laser module is a powerful 10-watt unit capable of engraving and cutting materials up to 8 millimeters thick. The CNC toolhead is equipped with a robust 200-volt motor, reaching up to 18,000 revolutions per minute. Safety and practicality are at the forefront of the Artisan's design, featuring a ventilated, laser-resistant enclosure suitable for open workshops frequented by people or pets. The housing also provides dust protection and maintains optimal temperature for the use of engineering-grade materials. The Artisan package comes complete with everything needed for assembly and maintenance, including side cutters, a metal scraper, wire brush, tweezers, and USB stick, all neatly packed in a reusable box. Crafted meticulously with sleek aluminum, the SnapMaker Artisan is visually appealing and functional. Its modular parts quickly snap into place, making assembly a breeze. A 7-inch touchscreen control panel provides easy access to various settings and options. The enclosure offers lighting, ventilation, dust control for CNC, optical safety for laser operations, and heat for advanced filament printing. The built-in Wi-Fi allows for hassle-free file transfers. The SnapMaker Artisan 3-in-1 is an embodiment of innovation and performance. It surpasses its predecessors in speed, size, power, and intelligence. This all-in-one machine comes equipped with everything you need for high-resolution 3D printing, engraving, cutting, and carving. With a repeatability of 0.005 millimeters and an all-metal body, the A350T delivers high precision and durability. It's not just a premium device, it consistently provides top-tier performance and security, making it a worthwhile investment for any 3D printing enthusiast. Next on our review roster is the remarkable AnkerMake M5, a commendable contender for the best 3D printer in 2024. AnkerMake is a fresh offshoot of Anker Innovations, renowned for their popularity Anker power products and associated brands like Soundcore, UFI, AnkerWork, and Nebula. The AnkerMake M5 is a gantry-style 3D printer that boasts a direct extruder ingeniously integrated into the hot end. This setup shifts vertically using dual Z-axis screws positioned on either side of the tower, facilitating smooth upward and downward movements. The printer's head also traverses left to right along the X-axis, while the print bed moves along the Y-axis. Remarkably versatile, the M5's heat bed design accommodates an array of filament types, from widely used options like PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, to more specialized ones like carbon fiber and wood-filled filaments. The M5 can handle a broad spectrum of materials requiring high hot end temperature. The M5's generous print bed measures 9.25 by 9.2 inches and features a detachable magnetic plate coated with polyethylamide, PEI. This design simplifies the removal of stubborn prints. Simply detach the plate and flex it slightly. Weighing just over 27 pounds, this sizable printer demands a dedicated space for setup and operation. A standout feature of the M5 is its impressive printing speed, ranging between 50 and 250 millimeters per second. The default speed is set at a rapid 250 millimeters per second, but this can be adjusted using the slicer setting. The M5 delivers precise prints courtesy of its ultra-direct extruder and robust die-cast aluminum alloy structure. It intelligently calculates the print plan, leveraging additional processing power and an inbuilt smart camera to ensure the final model aligns perfectly with the initial design. With real-time notifications that automatically halt printing upon detecting errors, the M5 saves both time and filament. Common issues such as print bed adhesion problems, filament tangles, or extruder blockages trigger these alerts. The M5's design, featuring an integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure and a unique Z-axis design, enhances the base's weight, effectively lowering the machine's center of gravity. This results in more stable printing at high speeds and turbo acceleration, reducing setup errors and improving overall printer accuracy. All in all, the AnkerMake M5 is an impressive piece of technology that delivers on all fronts. We proudly present our top pick for the best 3D printer in 2024, the Anycubic Kobra Max. This remarkable machine stands tall, boasting an impressive build volume of 400 by 400 by 450 millimeters, making it one of the most spacious options for home-based 3D printing enthusiasts. The Kobra Max inherits many beneficial features from its predecessor, the Viper, while also introducing some new enhancements. Its expansive build volume allows for larger-scale prints, making it ideal for ambitious projects. The LeviQ automatic leveling system and carborundum glass layer ensure excellent first-layer adhesion and precision, eliminating the need for continuous adjustments between prints. This robust machine is equipped with a sturdy printer chassis, dual-gear extruder, and volcano-style hot end, providing a comprehensive toolkit for large-scale 3D printing. It also features manual belt tensioners on the Y and Z axis, which attributes to the printer's substantial dimensions of 720 by 715 by 665 millimeters. However, note that the print bed extends beyond this during printing operations. The twin motor and dual lead screws on the Z-axis gantry guarantee smooth vertical movements. To ensure synchronicity, the Kobra Max includes a timing belt at the top. The 3D printer also incorporates Anycube's custom plastic anti-backlash nuts, first introduced in the Viper model. One of the notable upgrades in the Kobra Max is the improved automatic leveling function. This smart, precise feature offers a 25-point calibration system, capable of auto-adjusting for any unevenness on the heated bed. With a single button, you can level and print, simplifying the operation and enhancing the overall printing experience. The Kobra Max boasts a maximum print speed of 180 millimeters per second, with an average speed of 80 millimeters per second, significantly faster than the industry standard. This speed boost allows users to enjoy their 3D printing experiences even more. A smart filament stretch sensor is another highlight of the Kobra Max. It monitors filament supply, and if the printer runs out of filament, it automatically pauses, ensuring no loss of print progress. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 3D printers of 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest